This is the Deejo 37G Ebony Japanese Dragon folding knife. It has ebony wood in the scales. This is real ebony. Isn't that beautiful? The blade is made out of Z40C13 stainless steel with a black TINI finish. It has a secure frame lock or liner lock. That's what they call on the site. It locks out solid. This is a tattoo series. This Japanese dragon is actually laser, fine laser engraved. So it's there to stay. It's absolutely beautiful. Looking forward to this when I was. This is the Deejo 37G Ebony Japanese Dragon folding knife.